I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Hey y'all, hey. It's your girl, Danny Simone. The real Danny Simone.
Period.
Back with another video, and today, as y'all can see, we are back in the closet, just like I told y'all in the last video. So today we are back for part 2 of that video, where I am going to go through and do closet organization, because the shoe situation in my closet is just like astronomical. I don't even know how it got this bad. I literally just have shoes strewn all over my closet floor and purses strewn all across my top shelf, and it's not cute. I decided to try purse hangers. They have these little clear things that go across the shelf that I guess you sit one purse in each compartment, but I was like, because I don't know how that would really be a space saver. I thought about maybe purse hooks to hang them on and then have the top shelf be free for whatever else I might need it for. I got the clear shoe boxes for the shoes, and I got some cute little gold pant hangers. So I'll insert another clip of the before of the closet here. Tragic, I know. I don't even know how I let it get this bad. And we're gonna hop straight into it. But before we do, y'all already know what I need you to do. I need you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so y'all don't ever miss an upload or a community tab post, because I do post there quite often. And last but not least, per usual, make sure you leave me some comments in the comment section down below and let me know what other kind of videos y'all want to see from me. So yeah, we're gonna hop straight into it. The first thing I got was some gold pant hooks. I got 2 packs. I'm gonna have to order a few more of these because they only come like 5 in a pack and you get 2 in a box. But let me just show y'all how cute they are. How pretty are those, guys? Super excited about these. I also got, I don't know if y'all can really see them. There we go. I also got the purse hooks. And so let me just show you what those are looking like. So basically how they go is you hook this part onto the shelf, and this part goes into the handle of the purse. So basically they'll be hanging, sticking out like this. So we're gonna see how that works, because I feel like that would look much better than me just, as you can see, throwing them up on the shelf when I get done with them for the day. So there's that. I also got some boot hooks. There's a whole box of them, but I just took this one out so y'all can see real fast. Because if you know me, you know I love a good boot. I love a good thigh-high boot. I love a good combat boot, okay? So this is what these are looking like. They're also gold. Y'all know I'm a gold girly. And so basically you just put them together, clamp this on like such, close it up, hook it onto the shelf. So I'm pretty excited to try those out because I have a lot of boots. And lastly, this is the box that has the shoe boxes in it. You do have to assemble them all by hand yourself. So y'all get to watch me struggle with this, because I got 3 boxes of these and there's like 12 in each box. So yeah, we're getting ready to get started. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the finished product. So here's the first pair of pants hung up. I must say that does look better already. We're gonna put them right over here in this area. Yeah, that looks better already. basically the same skirt and just khaki. Okay, y'all, so here's what we looking like so far. I feel like that looks 10 times better than having them folded up on the shelf. I do still have these 3 items that have to be hung up as well. I already knew I was gonna have to buy more hangers anyway, so it's all good. But all in all, I think the gold hangers just gives it a cleaner, crisper look. It's a lot more chic and organized looking, and that's the look that I'm going for. So now I gotta do shoes and bags. I feel like the shoes are going to be the most time consuming, so I guess we'll do those last. I just got to find a place to put the purses. I'm kind of feeling like this area is more open and these workout clothes can actually go in a drawer. I feel like I may utilize this space for the purses because there's so many of them, and I just feel like that would make the most sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer them to my drawers and go ahead and start hanging these purses up. Okay, so there is plenty of space here. I think I'm gonna put the strap inside the bag for aesthetic purposes. So let's see how this is gonna work. Because I won't be using the strap anyway until I'm actually carrying the bag, so. So strap is inside the bag. Now let's see how the heck this works. I guess it just goes like this, which makes sense, and then you simply just hang it up on the shelf. Trying to do like a little color coordinated situation as well. So this one I actually cannot take the strap off of, but I guess I'll just leave it hanging like such. Actually, for this one, I feel like I might benefit more from using one of my boot hooks because there's no way for me to hang this up with the strap. 1 second. Clamp. And just hang it like that maybe. But I actually need to do it this way so it can be facing. Okay, yeah, I mean, it looks a little silly, but it'll work for the time being. Same thing with this purse because it has a really long strap. Clamp it like this, facing this way so this part can show on the shelf. Okay, same thing I think for this one. I can't take this strap off, so I'm just gonna have to, well, it's not that long, so I should be able to just do it with one of these. This is one of my favorite purses. I have yet to carry it. Not quite sure how this is gonna work either. I guess. Oh, okay, well that was easy enough. So this one can go here because it's considered orange. Also one of my favorite bags that I have yet to carry. I actually have 3 different color green bags. Since I did light to dark on the pink, I'm gonna do light to dark on the green as well. Another purse that I have yet to carry. Haven't carried this bag yet either. I've actually only carried this bag one time. Okay y'all, so here is the finished product with the purses, and I think it came out so cute. It's definitely space saving, and those came in a pack of either 10 or 15 for like $9, I kid you not. So I'll make sure I link those in the description box for anybody who's interested in purchasing, as well as the gold pant hooks. I do still have a couple purses like this one that has a very long strap. Same thing here, super long strap. This one can be hung. I do have to get obviously another set of hooks to hang it. This one as well has a short strap, it can be hung. This one as well has a short strap. I may end up using a boot hook for this one. This one, same thing, it can be clamped. This one, same thing. I can take the strap off and clamp it with one of the boot hooks. So now we gotta tackle these goddamn shoes. Okay y'all, so I'm sure y'all can probably see a little bit of the mess here. I gotta sit down here and build all these damn shoe boxes. Bruh. But that's okay, because I'm sure it's gonna look 10 times better when I get done. I did already put one together in attempts to practice, because I had never seen these in person before. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing, okay? So this is what the end result will look like. The door is in the front. It opens like so. So you can just get them straight out, very convenient. And I would end up just stacking them down here in the floor. Let's get to work, y'all.
Twenty minutes later.
Okay y'all, so I have officially put together all 3 boxes of the clear shoe containers. So now all I got to do is put the shoes in the shoe boxes and put them inside the closet. I'm super excited to see how this turns out, y'all. Okay y'all, so as y'all can see, I have organized my shoes in the boxes, and logically I would use this rack to hang my boots, which I'm getting ready to do right now. Okay y'all, so the last thing I'm gonna do is move my sweaters. to the other side of the closet. That'll be more aesthetically pleasing and it'll look a little bit cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this stuff from that side and move this stuff to that side. And voila, I feel like that looks so much better. And after all of that, I have literally one boot hanger left. I'm gonna stick this in a drawer somewhere and give y'all a look at the finished closet. Okay guys, that concludes today's video. I think it turned out so freaking pretty. The shelves are nice and open. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up here. See what I did there? But before we go, y'all already know what I need you to do. I need you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you don't ever miss an upload and you always see my community tab posts, because I do post updates for the channel there quite often. And last but not least, per usual, leave me some comments in the comment section down below and let me know what other videos y'all want to see from me. Lastly, don't forget, the giveaway winner will be announced this weekend, guys. So if you enter it, make sure you have your post notifications on so you do not miss the video, because like I said, I will be reaching out to the winner personally to let them know. And if I don't get a response or you did not follow all the steps, that is an automatic disqualification and I will move on to the next participant, okay? So that's that on all of that. I love you guys so much and I will see y'all this weekend to announce the giveaway winner. Bye guys.
Yeah.